I don't mean to brag, but this egusi soup recipe has me twisted. You see this egusi soup? This egusi soup recipe will have you changing your favorite soup to egusi soup. My favorite soup is okra, but when I make egusi soup these days, it's as if it finishes before my okra soup, and I make them on the same day. Ever since I learned this method of making egusi, it has legit been the only method I use, and I'm not gatekeeping. I'll show you how. If you don't like lumpy egusi soup, then you're in the right place. For ingredients, we'll need onions, yellow pepper, salt, stockfish, ogiri and okwe, beef, crayfish, stockfish, seasoning cubes, red oil, egusi, tatashe. If you're new on this channel, welcome. My name is Sochi of Such a Lifestyle, and I post motherhood, cooking, and relatable videos here on this channel. I also post some AI stories from time to time, so be sure to go through our page and find what you like, and please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow the space, let's build this community. I promise you're going to love this egusi soup. Like, my husband is always asking for egusi soup when I ask him what soup are we going to make, because of how this recipe blows minds. Like, you should absolutely try this method. It actually gives this grandmother village egusi vibes because of the seasonings that we're going to use. Just make sure you stick around, and God bless you. So the last thing I did here was to add ugu vegetable and allow to boil for like 2 minutes, and then the soup was ready. I guess my camera wasn't recording when I was doing that in this video, but this egusi is egusi in, like, look at the color, it's so beautiful and it was so good. You need to taste this. So tell me in the comments, are you going to be trying this recipe? Do you have a different method you use? What's your best preferred method? If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments for me and I'll get back to you. And until my next video, guys, peace and love.